Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make these triangle earrings made with peyote technique. They are very easy to do, and to make them we will need some delicate beads. I'm going to use two colors to show you in a better way the steps to make them. This is the back side of the earrings. In this video we are going to make the second turquoise earring. So this is the supplies list: turquoise delicate beads, galvanized starlight treasure beads or another color of delicate beads, 2 4mm Swarovski bicons, 2 galvanized starlight 15-0 seed beads, 2 flat earring pins with a base of 8mm, but you can use other sizes too. Number 12 needle, 0.17mm smoke fireline thread. Pick up 3 golden treasure and bring them at the end of the thread. Pass through the first treasure to close them into a circle. Pass through the next treasure and let's start working to build our triangles. Pick up 2 treasures and pass through the next treasure bead. Pick up again 2 treasure beads and pass through the next treasure. Finally, pick up 2 more treasure and pass through the next 2 treasure beads. This is the final result. Pick up 2 more treasures and pass through the next treasure. As you can see, now there is the typical space of the peyote technique. We are going to fill those spaces with turquoise delicate beads. So, pick up 1 delica and pass through the next golden treasure. Pick up 2 more treasure beads and pass through the next treasure. Pick up another turquoise delicate bead and pass through the next golden treasure. In the end, pick up another turquoise delicate bead and pass through the next 2 treasure beads. Now we are ready to start a new round. Pick up 2 more golden treasures and pass through the next treasure. Then pick up a delicate bead and pass through the next turquoise delica. Pick up another delicate bead and pass through the next golden treasure. We have to make these steps to reach the desired size of the triangle. I have made a triangle with 7 couples of treasures for each side of the inner part of the triangle. So, go on with the work and let's make it. Then you will need another triangle of the same size to sew them together and make our earring. I've just finished the first phase of our earring. Now I'm going to cut the thread. Then I'm going to make another triangle of the same size but with another round of turquoise delica. The second triangle is just completed. The thread exits one of the treasure beads. Pass through the next treasure bead without stringing any bead, and then we are ready to start working with turquoise delicate beads. Pick up a turquoise delicate bead and pass through the next turquoise delicate bead. Go on in this way until you reach the next point of the triangle. The thread exits one of the treasure beads. Pass through the next treasure bead without stringing any bead and repeat this step on the other two sides of the triangle. And repeat this step on the other two sides of the triangle. This is the final result. Before sewing the triangle, we have to pick up the herring pin and set it in the middle of the triangle. Now we are going to join them together, making a zigzag sewing. If you want, you can make a triangle of felt to block the herring pin between the beaded triangles. Some people prefer to set some paper, but I prefer to leave it without anything. The thread exits one of the treasures. Pass through the next golden treasure on the top, and now we are going to make a zigzag sewing between the delicas. Go through the right turquoise delica and then through the left one, then right, then left, and so on until we have completed the work. Once we have finished it, the thread exits one of the golden treasures of the top triangle. Now string a bicon and a 15 seed bead, skip the 15 seed bead and pass again through the bicon and then through the right treasure to center them. Now pass the thread through the beads and cut it. Our herring is just finished. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, please thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel to support me and to not miss my videos. Thanks a lot and bye bye!